I don't know if you actually can shut that car. Hello, welcome. This is the Women's Center at Central Heights Church. Come on in. Welcome to the Women's Center Drop-In. It's a coffee shop environment that's designed for people to come and feel cared for, connected, and feel like you can be listened to and encouraged. So being here in the Women's Center is such a beautiful place. Around these tables, we sit and enjoy meals together. We enjoy coffee and tea and conversation, and we have opportunities to connect and hear each other's stories. It's a beautiful place to find friendships and connections and care. Here in this little couched area, there's a group that meets weekly called The Living Room. If you have ever struggled with mental health issues yourself or support someone who does, it's a great opportunity to connect and just say, hey, we hear you, we see you, and we care about you. We have resources that are donated at the church where we store them in this beautiful location. Oh my goodness, look how wonderfully we have been blessed. We are so thankful. These get sorted by an incredible sorting team, which then get them into the right locations so that we can bless our community. We have literature, toys, we have high chairs for your kids when they come to enjoy you at the table over a meal. We're just incredibly thankful.
So this is our boutique room. This is for if an individual has, for example, they just got a new job or they have a job interview. We bring them in here and we hope that they can find something that would work.
This room here is our women's closet, like hats and toques and different things. We want to be able to say that we care and we know that those needs are real, and so we want to bless you and help you to be able to bless and care for your family. We love children, and in this room you can see that there are many provisions for children from birth up to teen, from baby items and things for their little ones to other accessories that would make their children feel loved and cared for. And then we also have bottles and blankets and things for new moms and people that are just setting up their home in a transition of a new stage of life.
This room also houses our English. We have English conversation circles. So we have a lot of women who are very new to Canada. Their English is just beginning. They're just beginning to learn English. So we have a group of volunteers who will sit and go through this book with these ladies. And just in the past 4 months, I have seen a huge difference in the relationship and ability to communicate.
The beauty of this place is when our shelves are stocked and we're able to bless, when we get a phone call saying there's a family in need, we can open up our doors, walk in here, gather the items they need, and take them to the families that have been placed maybe in an apartment or a home and didn't even receive a blanket. This is a room that has many different articles that will help an individual get her place set up for her family if she's in transition, if she's moved from a difficult situation, or she just moved to Abbotsford, a newcomer. They can come into this room and they can gather the items that they may need to be able to provide for their family. From housewares here to linens, towels, and small appliances. This place, it just speaks about we all need food and nourishment. On the table here you can see the items that go into our food hamper. We can say through these things, we care about you, we want you to be able to nourish your family, and are gonna make it. When people come and they see that they're cared about and that this is an environment that actually welcomes them, it allows people to feel like, you know what, I can make it through the next day and the next week.
I love being at the Women's Center because of the community that we have with almost every person who walks in our door. There is a sense of they're choosing to be here. They're setting aside time in their day to come and hang out with us at the Women's Center. We get to share a cup of tea, hear their life story. I get to meet women from all over the world, different walks of life, very different lived experiences than myself. And we get to, what we have in common is that we're here, we're choosing to be here together and have tea. And as we offer them clothing for their family or a small amount of food, I think what keeps bringing people back is the community, is having somewhere where someone knows my name and they care that I show up and they notice when I'm missing. I think that is a really beautiful thing that we offer at the Women's Center that is kind of hard to find.
And we're just incredibly thankful that we can say, hey, yeah, we know it can be tough, and we care about your nutritional needs and we care about your physical needs, and we want to help you make it through this month or this season. This place is a beautiful place of just creating nourishment for the soul, for the mind, for the body. And we invite you to come and join us here at Central Heights, where you can be part and also be blessed and encouraged as a person. So welcome to my kitchen.